What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just got off work and here goes the airplane. I'm not going to try to talk over the airplane. Pretty close. Alright, so today I'm going to try to install this tailgate assist. Obviously it's for the 2015 or newer, and my truck's a 2003, so my luck it's probably not going to work, but I tried to contact them about either switching this out for the newer one, for the one I need, or refunding my money and me returning this and just buying the one that'll work. But this warning label, because of that, the chemical that's inside here, they won't let me ship it back to them, so that's out the window. So might as well just go ahead and open it up and try to install it. First, what you're going to do, disconnect that. Okay, what you're going to do first, loosen this up so you can mount this on there. Found this T47, make it a little easier. Now that that's off, I'm going to go ahead and install this piece. And then as I say, don't forget to line it up, but as I was turning it, it kind of lined itself up, so it's pretty straight. Now you can go ahead and hook this back up. Perfect. You can go ahead and put a little bit of this on there just to help it. You're going to want the top part, the actual solid piece, to go up top, and then the piece that comes out is going to hook up to the bottom. There you go, that part's on. Now I just got to figure out how I'm going to mount it down here, since this isn't for this truck. I don't know, I'll figure it out. But we're going to use this mounting bracket, so I don't really know. Who knows? I'll figure something out. Alright, so update on this. I'm going to go ahead and just cut it right there where you see. And then hopefully that way, once I cut it, I'll be able to get it put in here. And I'm going to just use this hole and find a bolt big enough or something to work to hold it. And then hopefully it'll work. But I got a couple other things I gotta do right now, and this will take a minute. We gotta get the grinder out to cut that off. So I'm gonna just leave it like this, and maybe later on tonight I'll cut this. If not, project for tomorrow. What's up everyone? Still out here working on this tailgate assist, like day 6 or 7. Just had a lot of other things, and of course the air intake that I wanted to install as soon as I got it. Who wouldn't want to? So what I'm going to do is, since obviously that bolt hole is too big, I'm going to flip this around. I'm going to mount it in there, and I'm going to drill a hole right there with my handy dandy drill, so that way it'll fit this bolt right here. Now that's done. Now I'm going to use my tap and die set so I can make it fit this, and I'll be able to screw right in. Alright, I forgot how limited on space I was right here, so my tap and die set isn't going to work. So I'm going to try to get it pretty close and then just run the bolt through it and hopefully that'll work and hold it. I'm still using the same drill bit, but as you see, my drill died. Of course, go figure. So hopefully I can get it finished tonight. I'm about to eat dinner, so we'll see. Got the kids out playing, as you hear. Keep on going. That's what happens when you get stuff that isn't quite for the same truck, but we'll make it work hopefully. Okay, I got the hole as big as I can get it for now. Got the bolt started, and I've been just going ahead and tightening it up in the hole, hoping it don't flatten up the threads on the bolt too much. I'm gonna just keep doing this till I get all the way through. There she goes, she's all the way through, so now I'm just gonna mount up that bracket, see how it looks. Okay, there you go. Got that part hooked up, and I put a locking washer in between the bolt and the plate. Now I just gotta put that down, see if it fits. Don't forget to put a little bit of this on there. Okay, it's locked in. Let's see if it works. Alright, here's the moment of truth. It's installed, all hooked up. Let's see if it hits. Hopefully it doesn't hit, and hopefully it goes down nice and slow. I don't know. It runs out of room. Nope, it hits. Dang it. See, it hits right there. Oh man, that stinks. So I kind of got to move it over some in order for it not to hit. Alright, well, I got to where it worked now. I went ahead, took my big bad hammer, got some frustration out, and now it'll close. It still rubs a little bit, but not that bad. It's minor. You can see right there it touches. For now, it'll work. Right here is at the point where it starts touching right there. So I can just close it myself. Now here's it coming down. I'm holding it with my other hand, but it does help a little bit. It'd be better if I could mount it probably like right here, but the only problem is when it goes to back up, when you lift it back up, you still have to have this much clearance. So I think this would be too high up here when I go to close it. So you can hear it actually working though when I let it down. It catches it probably at the last foot or so, to give you a point of view. Right about there it catches. So it does make it to where it's not going to drop down real hard, but I wouldn't just let it go. I mean, you can, and I'll show you me just letting it go from up here. And it does help, it does slow down. It's like a bang down real hard. I would still use a hand to guide it a little bit, but it makes it where it's a lot lighter when it's coming down. You're not gonna kill yourself. After taking a week to do this video, finally got it done. Now, if you remember at the beginning of the video, I said this was for a 2015 or newer tailgate assist F150, and my truck's 2003. So, as you see, I ghetto rigged it, cut some pieces off, but we got it to work. As long as you put your mind to it, you get it to work. Good enough for me. Close her up. That's it. Thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Till next time. Peace.